Welcome back to part 2, and as suspected, we figured it out. In the front, there's 2 red screws right here. You use your handy-dandy accessory toolkit they sent you with the 3 packs of lube and this Allen key. And you're going to remove these 2 screws off the front, opening the front of your printer.
After you do that, we lift this up, and then there's 3 more screws in the back. Laying down.
Yep.
Okay, that needs to be removed.
Okay, so the first 2 screws are out. Place my Allen wrench back on the table. And go ahead and lift this straight up. It lifts a little bit easier now.
Much better.
Okay. Ta-da! Here, this is the AMS system. I'll put this off to the side right now. There's more stuff hiding in here. Now that we're inside the printer, let's pick out these goodies. This is a 25G Absorb Dry. This is just keeping it dry in there. I think that's probably a good thing. Do not eat. Okay, so from here you have 3 more red screws to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
After you do that, this will be removed, and then
One more back there.
yeah, 1 more back there.
Do you want to grab the video camera? We'll give you a little close-up of us doing this. Maybe up and over.
Up and over. Okay.
So again, these screws are clearly marked in these little red circles. That's where this Allen key is going.
It's kind of dark in there.
So there's red circles there, red circles there.
Gotta go on it.
Right here, right here. This one and this one were the first 2 we removed to get the AMS out. So we're getting these 2 out still. Keep it straight that way, the orientation, not
The
sideways.
3, and then getting 3 screws out.
Okay. Okay. This piece is coming out. Somehow. There we go. Up and out. I'm going to set this piece over here to the side.
Take that foam out.
This is magnetic, this whole piece. That's kind of cool. This foam is not there yet.
Oh, maybe
No.
the screw in the back,
I
and
need to
then
get
the
that
foam,
screw in the back.
and then the foam.
One more screw away here in the back. Screw has been removed.
So now you can lift this whole thing up and then take out the foam.
No.
Oh, after the calibration process, it only could be removed after that. So after you calibrate.
After we calibrate, then we could remove the foam.
Down, this one.
I don't know what that means, but right here is the calibration board.
Pull down on the red plastic protection up here.
Okay.
Open and remove them.
Open and remove them.
Open and remove them.
Mm-hmm.
During the operation, you may notice the behavior unexpected does not indicate the problem. Okay. Cut and remove the zip ties placed on top of the glass cover
Benchmade.
onto the printer. Oh yeah, those ones. This one, and this one over here.
Okay, zip ties are off.
Okay. So, here. Install the touch screen, which you already did. Remove the tape, blah, blah, blah. Inserted that, did that. So the green, so the little box tab you put on the back side, insert it right there. Looks like right here.
Yep. We figured out the box thingy thing. Well, haven't figured out, but we figured out where it goes.
Auxiliary, I can't read that, extruder?
The auxiliary extruder. So you got a little white port right here. This is getting plugged in
From the accessory
to
box.
the back of this box. It does appear to be a chore. I'm sure there's much easier ways to do this, but who wants to do that?
Okay, so
Okay, that just clicked, so that means that would be in. What else do we have back there?
this
And this
arm.
hose goes to down here. Okay, this little white hose plugs in right to this extruder.
This one?
Nope, I have it. Just
you
hold
have it.
this. So there's a little port right over here. This little white tubing is going into this port. Okay, we have that plugged in.
Is that a nut? So loosen the nut on the side.
That's already done. That's already in.
I think it's this piece. To for the filament, it guides the filament. Is that what it is?
Auxiliary extruder. I've put, loosen this nut, okay.
Loosen the nut.
I'm loosening this nut right here.
insert the PTFE
The
tube.
PTFE tube about 22 millimeters into the connector. Ensure it's fully inserted or the filament may curl inside the extruder. So we're placing this about 22 millimeters. I'm American, I can't tell you how far 22 millimeters is, but that looks good. Okay, push the cable back into the slot, then insert the extruder, press down and lock it into place. I already did that. Don't tell anyone. Confirm that the tube is fully inserted, then use the opened end wrench from the toolbox. I get to go back to the toolbox. Okay. Oh, I found it. Such an organized toolbox. Here we go. And we're going to tighten this guy up, correct?
Yes.
Yes, we are tightening it up.
Down.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So tight. When you tighten this, you want to put approximately 3.17 pounds of torque on the screw so you don't over tighten it. I'm just kidding, I made that up. It says nothing like that. Ooh, I just put that right under our glass. I'm sure that's going to be nice and pretty and leave fingerprints. More tubes.
These
Okay.
tubes. Is it these tubes? Yeah, the white and gray tubes.
Connect the free end of the white tube to the right of the auxiliary extruder. Gray tube. These tricky instructions.
Oh, these ones right here.
Oh, down. These tubes they're talking about.
These must be extras.
We like extras. These go to your nozzles. This is a dual nozzle system, whatever that means. I mean, I kind of figured it out. So you can run two colors at once without changing your spools around or something. If I'm wrong, go ahead and flame me all you want in the comments. That's what they're there for. I'm sure we'll answer you back. And okay. So, the gray tube, which is tube number 6, is going
Up there.
right into this guy. We'll just call that 22 millimeters as well. I'm sure it is on the money. So the white tube obviously will go to this other tubity tube spot. Ooh, it plugged right in. And my sources say not correct. Did that backwards. So now we probably broke the entire machine. Absolutely.